footage.
Oh, we're hopping back on the highway.
Oh, there's people up there.
Yeah, that's the. I didn't realize the rock pile was that giant. You go that way, you can climb up. It looks like there's might be like something actually walkable on the other side. People hop it. And... Hi.
What do you think?
It's pretty.
Yeah, we cut down this long tree right here.
Oh, nice. This is great. So here.
Here you can take some good pics.
Oh, who wants it?
What's possible?
I'm talking my shit.
Alright.
See that red light on there?
Oh, is it good? Why don't you do some like looking away ones if you want?
I've been looking away the whole time. What do you
I mean, towards the lake.
all of them. Oh, there's a light there. Didn't see it.
Happening, but I'm gonna get it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dude, you gotta get the frickin' glacier in the... It's out of context.
You're the view.
Oh. We didn't come all the way down here to see me.
Yeah, we did.
This is good audio.
That's from the stream.
Narrator?
Well, I didn't get the beginning part.
Oh, it's so cold.
Nope.
That's awful. I do you much better than you do me.
I was a candid, man.
Way up there.
It looks smaller from GoPro. That's pretty big.
And here we have Mirror Lake.
Sit. Sit.
Oh my god, they're fighting.
Sit.
Whoa!
I got
Why
that.
are we so impressed with that?
Maybe I said ow. You know. For that too.
You can see the highway over there too. There's a road over there.
Do you like it? The road?
The road? Oh. It does look kind of nice. It gracefully kind of curls like that. Rock bands over there.
I love Rock Band.
Which
We're playing
one?
some good music today.
Oh. You just get my heavy breathing?
Whoa.
Which guy is the guy?
I don't know where.
The mountain.
Where you have to go. Maybe it's that.
Which one in particular?
The one behind you.
Yeah.
Oh, that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't see that.
Solar energy to charge an emergency system.
Nature.
Wow. This is Lake Agnes.
You're not allowed to swim here?
I heard you, you bastard. There you are.
I'm very tired.
What's your heart rate at now?
Probably wrong. It says 75.
Alright. I gotta do the Tesla thing. They're really busting my balls.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Hopefully it goes. Yeah.
Bad luck on that one.
Oh, this is nice.
So that
Oh, I
is
just
where
followed the
we
raindrop,
came
I think.
from.
Oh shit, I hear it. Maybe it's gonna miss us.
Maybe.
Any chance?
Maybe the mountain will divert it around us.
Maybe.
I made it too. I'm here. I'm no bitch.
Oh, we should get a picture here together, or at least a selfie.
70%
Now that we've gotten our chips, we're refueled after our long hike. How do we feel?
I'm glad we did it.
This is a comfortable seat. I like sitting.
Yeah, I could sit some more.
I got 30 minutes.
I also could sit some more.
Mexican? We can do Mexican.
That sounds good.